Okay, now we're outside. But I only have a halfway decent day in New Jersey to film this. I put the awning out. I'm going to show you how that works. This is the rear slide and the jacks, the happy jacks that are on it. We're going to look in these basement compartments after we put the slide in. First, I'll do a walk around. It does have keyless entry on the door. There's your porch light. It has the awning light that is on and works. It's got storage, which is very, very deep and high on the outside compartment. Underneath, you'll see the nice security lights. While I'm here, I'll give you a slow pan of what the bed looks like. Here is the sticker of manufacturer from Eagle Cap. I'll send you a picture of that as well. Uses a Schwintek slide system. It's got nice outdoor speakers. All fiberglass, obviously. It has swing away dually brackets, obviously. Here's the outside of the front nose. Here's the slide going aft. Coming here down underneath, because it's easiest, is the part that you don't see too often. That's the battery compartment. The paint was like that when I got it. This is the access to the front tanks. Now what you're going to notice here is there's an extra plug in this box that has a temperature gauge in it and a heater. Lithium batteries, these are stock lithium batteries, are not heated. They cannot be charged below freezing or you'll do damage to the batteries. This switch, which is also hooked up via Bluetooth, has thresholds for when it kicks in and when it turns off, and it operates this small heater. It keeps this whole compartment warm. Even though we don't have freezing temperatures in Texas, we do here in New Jersey. So, very important to have that. Now, as you can see here, here's the underside of the over cab area. Like I said, it's going to be limited for me to get you everything you need from this video. If we get closer, I'll be happy to pull it outside. As you can see, my hanger's crammed full of summer toys. Hence, one other reason I'm selling this. I really don't want to sell it, but my wife does, which is fine. Here is the other slide. I'll back up so you can see the cap. And then we'll look down here at this slide. I'll give you another angle on that as we come back. I'm going to shoot this continuous for you. There's your gas lines for your propane and your electrical hookup, so that you have an idea of exactly what we've got here. All right, so now I'm going to open the door and do two things. First, I'm going to open the door. First, I'm going to turn off the awning lights and bring the awning in so you can see how that functions. Pretty simple. Has a slide mechanism here. And it just rolls itself up. Very, very quiet. No issues. So we'll just let that roll in, and then I'll do something else. You can stop it anywhere you want. Here's another look inside without the lights on. And there it is. Now, I'm going to turn off the porch light, security light. In order to get in that compartment, I want to bring the slide in for you. There's 3 buttons, left, right, rear. You always bring the rear in last, but in this case, we are not bringing in the slides, so I can bring in the rear now. So I'm just going to hit this and show you how this works. People have asked, is the coach usable with the slide in? Absolutely not. There's no way you're getting by that. And even if you could, if the two side ones are in, you still can't get forward. You'd have to open at least two to get access. Okay, here we've got slide out topper cover, nice ladder. In this compartment here is the propane with an automatic regulator. And underneath are the tank monitors. They're sonar monitors, so they don't protrude in the tank. So I'm just going to go on the outside a little more, and then I'll open up this compartment for you. We have outside shower, black water flush, 110 volts, shore power cable hookup. We got our city water, connect and fill, our water heater, our generator is in here in this compartment, and a 6-gallon DSI water heater. Sewer outlet is there. So I'm gonna have to put the phone down here just a minute to allow me to